So Sudan is happening, and all the chickens of the world, all the Christians, all the people who believe that they are chickens are clocking. All the religious people calling on God, they are clocking. Powerless, useless shit. It's happening. It's not the first time it's happening. It's not the only place that is happening. The one that is happening in Nigeria, that has happened in Nigeria, it choke. So it's and anywhere I see a post about it, I'm just like, yo, remember that Christianity and Christians are the reason for this thing that they are murdering thousands or whatever number of Christians. So Christians are still the cause of it because you are a chicken. You are a chicken, bro. Do you understand? I'm not even insulting you, or Coco. If you're charge for people who don't have unso, your governors and your presidents who don't have unso, and their neo-colonial leaders who don't have unso. You are a chicken for them. First of all, before you even get to that place, you are a chicken to your brother who is an occultist, because oyeji piala etali ojilogi ojilomugi piala etali maka ịbụ ọkụkọ. All you will do is in a quarter like a chicken, like a little chick, like yum 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 yum. Nine be all the noise you just make. You just dey powerless. My ancestors were not powerless. You understand? This thing now, where you go, they see one woman now, she go there now, they hide her face with gun, they hide her for bullets, so they fly around for her or whatever the hell. I don't even know which one is true, which one is not true. Like a propaganda true. But my ancestors were not that powerless woman and that all those powerless men. No be my ancestors be those. My ancestors no be those people. They are bonding now on the fable. Obodo na ama as in the fable. Even if say Oyibo people, even if say America come pull up, they cannot fuck you people up without members of your obodo. A man fuck up without in there and you without people of obodo being complicit in it, they cannot penetrate people. As far as I say, when a day with around, right? So, and the thing now to even now do to somebody will be a son of the soil, where they sell you obodo out. Assuming say no be even governor self, where I don't already make videos where they tell you say, if we fit swearing these people with our traditional forces, right, and then we both now pull up with so much artillery, they cannot penetrate you. They cannot penetrate us without people being insider. So what I'm saying is that you see that insider, that person will be insider. Like imagine say I know now our traditional community now. I am a state, I am a state, but one ofuonye bonye buy, we je sell buy out. Oblo I jena jani buy atonya na ntopadonya I tonya buy atokuya no money in the buy. So why are we using wrong, powerless approach? Why is it that when somebody, a governor, sells you his nation out, he just against him? Why are you praying against him? Bible don't kill anybody. Each one may if he may to so and bully powerless chicken mother no coconut boy on social media. I got all those rants. When you say, guy, go buy our book.